All right, so that was just my rainbow sherbet ice cream. Now I'm gonna grab some frozen raspberries. Just sprinkle those right in there. Beautiful. Today we're making a super yummy and super easy kind of festive drink. So this is all in my punch bowl. Now I'm adding some lime slices right in there. So that rainbow sherbet is lime, orange, and raspberry flavor. So I'm just adding the fruit that matches the flavors of the sherbet. And I did frozen raspberries so they can act as ice for our punch. I don't know if you guys have ever had a sherbet punch, but it is life-changing. And this is a 3-gallon punch bowl, so I have plenty of room for all of my juices. All right, and like I said, it's lime, orange, and raspberry. So of course, we gotta throw some oranges in here. And I did about 3 limes and 2 oranges, and then about 1 bag of raspberries. I thought I would need 2, but once I saw about half of each of those bags go in, I knew it was plenty enough with 1 bag. Okay, this is gonna be so good. Look how beautiful that looks.
It smells delicious with all the fresh fruit.
All right, now for the liquids, we're gonna start with our lime. So we have a lemon lime Sprite. Go ahead and open this baby up. Oh, that sound, so satisfying.
It is satisfying.
Okay, this is gonna be good, you guys. So great for summer, for a party, a barbecue. And we're just gonna pour that right on top of that sherbet. And that sherbet's just gonna melt right into our punch and be amazing. Okay, so we're gonna do half a liter of Sprite. We might add more once it fizzes down, but for now, we're gonna start with that. Now, for our raspberry component, we have some raspberry lemonade. Let's go ahead and give this a good mix so that pulp or whatever is not all in one spot. And let's pour that right in there. Oh, she is getting full quick, you guys. Almost done here. I think we'll have enough room for that, the rest of that Sprite too. Can you guess what's coming next?
I see green in there. What's the green in there?
That was the Sprite with the lemon lime.
I have no clue.
We did the raspberry, the lime, and now
I have no clue.
orange juice.
Orange.
Okay, this is gonna be so good, you guys. Lemonade, orange juice, Sprite, that sherbet, those fresh fruits. I mean, the flavors are gonna go crazy on your palate. It's gonna be bright and sweet and sour and just everything you want from a juice. All right, so we have our no pulp orange juice that we're gonna put right in there. And as that sherbet melts, it's just gonna add more and more flavor. Oh my, it looks like a potion. And the best part about this is you can change out the flavors for any season. I know they have like an all orange sherbet. You could do like a little Halloween orange sherbet punch. That would be awesome. All right, so you know what? I am gonna add the rest of that Sprite in there because it looks like we have the room for it. And we want this to be a full punch bowl.
And I feel like the sherbet is acting as a ice too.
Cube, yeah. Just add it slowly because it is fizzing up.
I want to hear it.
So satisfying. All right, I think I'm gonna stop there because I do want some room to mix this a little bit. And go ahead and grab a spoon. Okay, get those raspberries in there. Oh my goodness, it's like a big ice cube in there.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this is gonna be so delicious. Okay, just get her in there, get her a good mix, get the sides. That's what you really need to mix together. I can't believe how fizzy, it's like a float. It's like a sherbet float in there.
Wow, it looks so good.
Do you see those oranges and raspberries on the sides, the limes? Ooh, this is looking good. Okay, now this is ready to be served. And like I said, as the party goes on, the flavors are just gonna get better and better as that sherbet melts. But we did put it in there, you know, slightly thawed. So I think it's ready enough for me to try to sip. Okay, got our cups ready. I'm gonna grab this pink cup, put some ice in there. Just a little bit, because it's already really cold from that sherbet. Grab a ladle. And, oh yeah, do you see that? Oh, this is gonna be so good, you guys. Oh, I got some of those raspberries in there. This is gonna be so yummy. Okay, that looks perfect. It's like a float, like I said.
It looks so cool.
Put a little lemon garnish on there, and then cheers. Let's enjoy. Shut up.
Is it good?
That is really good, you guys. You gotta try it.